What's happening today, bro?
Going to Spiso's rider training. So I'll be helping him coach some of the riders today just to assist and give back to our brothers and sisters that are riding on the road.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this guy is saying, but yeah, I can ask you.
Catch us when we get there. See you. Look out for the good footage. As we make it in. Swartkop is Raceway. Are you excited, man? Are you? Swartkop. Are you excited, man? Yeah?
Let's do this.
A Tomb Raider.
What's up, man? What's up, John?
Yeah, what's up, baby?
You have to support me.
Yeah. Yes, 1200, I think. 636. Yeah. Chicks are K7, K8. That's a Honda, I think. Honda fella. Pongo. What's that? Harley. All types of bikes. S1000 2014. Which year model to get this? I wonder. S1000 brand new boy. And we just had to break away from Swartkops. I'm on my way to a meeting, a product that we might be potentially doing something very cool for the public. So you guys need to keep your eyes peeled for it. And I'm gonna get back to the track as soon as I'm done with my meeting. See you guys in the jiffy. It's alive, baby. Oh, hey, Sugar Lips. All right, I am back on my way to Swartkops right now. And it seems as if there's a mate of mine who might have had a bit of a tumble. The meeting that I had right now is really, really good. So there might be a major giveaway. And I'd love for you guys to be involved in it, all right? But information coming soon, like real soon. Oh, hi, by the way. Okay, the track day that we had here today is almost done. I think it's real cool, but the one irritating part about having a lot of sessions is guys, especially if it's their first time, they start crashing a lot, especially once they start getting fatigued. So if you're gonna have a track day, have 3-4 sessions and then, you know, pull out and wait for the next one, just gain confidence and gain momentum and gain stamina. 300k bike, 200k bike, pulled by a 60,000 rand car. Oh, plus a 20k trailer. Woo-wee. Yeah, at least you can see where our priorities lie.